Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclohexane, three different functional group. One is methyl, one is chlorine, and isopropyl. All three are stereochemically specified. You are reacting with sodium methoxide. You should find what will be the final product. Here you have stereochemically specified product, but real problem is hidden, so you have to redraw the structure with stereochemistry as well as hydrogen. So two hydrogens are there. You are using the base. Base promote the elimination. Base can obstruct hydrogen and elimination. But which hydrogen eliminates here? The regioselectivity matters. Here B hydrogen will be eliminated because of more substituted alkene. It's a Zaitsev rule says that it is elimination based on the high substitution. So two different factors here. Hydrogen and chlorine eliminated only if it is in anti position or anti-periplanar position. Second thing is more substituted alkene will form. So two different concepts in the same problem, but simple problem. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.